with a feeling so bright. Gonna break free from the night, chasing dreams in the neon lights. Heartbeats sync in perfect flight. Windows down, wind in my hair. No more worries, no more care. Fight the tide with a wild dare. Shout it loud so the world can hear. Sing out, sing proud, don't be shy. We're the stars in the endless sky. No more doubts, just amplify. Raise our voices, watch them fly. City hums a song so sweet, dancing shadows on busy streets. Find your rhythm, feel the beat. Make this life our own unique feat. Sing out, sing proud, don't be shy. We're the stars in the endless sky. No more doubts, just amplify. Raise our voices, watch them fly. Sing out now, let go of the haze. Let the melody set ablaze. Through the highs and through the craze. Sing out loud, we'll find our place. Sing out, sing proud, don't be shy. We're the stars in the endless sky. No more doubts, just amplify. Raise our voices, watch them fly. Sing out now, let go of the haze. Let the melody set ablaze. Through the highs and through the craze. Sing out loud, we'll find our place. Footsteps echo in the canyon wide. Heartbeats racing with the rising tide. Whispers of the stars light the path we take, chasing dreams until they finally break. Dust on our boots, we're ready to roll. Fires igniting deep within our soul. City lights dim as we make our way. Lost and free, we let the music play. Oh, singing wild heart, let it run free. Turn up the night till we're dancing on dreams. Raise your voice high, let the melody fly. We'll burn like a comet in the midnight sky. Shadows stretching across the open plains. Silent promises etched in the rain. every tear cried is a truth we learn. In the wild we find where our spirit yearns. Hands held tight under moonlit domes, roads we wander lead us far from home, shedding our fears under endless stars. Together we'll redefine who we are. Feel the thunder coursing through our veins. We're the storm that can't be tamed. Let the rivers lead us to unknown lands. Every note we play is a chance